Raise our hands, close our eyes, and bow down our heads in prayer. We stand before you to seek our blessings. We offer before you this day ourselves, our families, our teachers, our friends, and our school. Giving thought for the day. Gratitude means appreciating the people and things that we value the most. When we express thankfulness to our parents, teachers, friends, and all the opportunities we receive, we have a kind and humble attitude. Today, I would like to speak a few words about World Environment Day. June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day all over the world. National News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a crucial meeting of the Council of Ministers today. In the national news, one good morning to one and all.
Yes, we are back with a wonderful academic year. Only two things I want to remind you. That God bless you with right path and the mind to focus on what is needed and discard what is not needed. Okay, so are you all fine? Very fine. Okay, so after beginning, this is the third day, isn't it? You already adjusted with the school atmosphere, is it or not? Oh, so all the best for ending the academic year. Thank you.
Babayani Lester, English holder, grade 2.
Grade 1, just raise your hand. Grade 1. Grade 1. Grade 1. Okay. So, you raise your hand. Grade 3. Grade 4. Grade 5. So, hearty welcome to the new academic year to our school.